Hello people, so today I'm going to talk about steps in NLP and sentiment analysis. NLP, that is natural language processing, is basically understanding the interactions between computers and human languages. So this is a step-by-step walkthrough of basic steps in NLP. I'll also add a little bit of introduction to sentiment analysis. It's a domain of NLP, that is an application of NLP. So tokenization. Tokenization is chopping the sentences into words or tokens. So generally we remove the punctuations and special characters. So here you can see an example. This example will be consistent across the slides as we move on and implement all the steps of NLP. So it's just a pizza review basically. So we highlight the tokens and then you can see that the punctuations were removed here. And then the next step is the stopwords removal. Stopwords are basically the most common words which do not carry any meaning in the context. There are around 179 stopwords in English. We'll highlight those here. So that is and the. These are the stopwords which do not carry any meaning. So we'll remove them. The next step is stemming and lemmatization. So stemming is reducing the words to their base or root form. Lemmatization also does a similar work, but it generates the root word only if it is a valid word in the English dictionary. So here we'll highlight them. The words marked in red are the highlighted stemming words, and the other yellow, brownish ones are the lemmatization words. Here you can see that delicious, the word is a part of lemmatization because if you use stemming on delicious word, it will generate delici or deli, which is not a valid word. So here you can see that delicious was converted into delight. The next part is parts of speech and named entity recognition. So parts of speech is basically we mark the words to their corresponding parts of speech to prevent the uncertainty of a word in the context. So here we have implemented that proper noun, verb, adjective and all. And named entity recognition is basically marking the words according to the categories, like Pizzeria is the organization name and East Avenue is the location. The named entity recognition is mostly used in chatbots and email services. So introduction to sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis is basically extracting and categorizing opinions from a text into positive, negative or neutral categories. So generally there are three categories. In some applications, strongly positive and strongly negative are also considered as categories. There are two basic approaches. First is the non-machine learning approach. In this, we make use of a lexicon, a corpus, or a dictionary for the text classification. And second approach is machine learning approach, in which we actually build and train a model and implement these algorithms such as naive Bayes, SVM, or neural networks. So here I'm going with the lexicon-based basic approach just for giving the demonstration. So consider the previous example. We assign the scores here. So here you can see that the scores have been assigned, like satisfy has been assigned a +2, great has been assigned a +3. And then we combine these scores like +2, +3, +8 is so +8, it's a positive output. So that means positive is the category. So if it's around 0, the output is around 0, it is neutral. And if it is in negative, the categories, basic categories are negative. So to conclude, we uh, went through a step-by-step walkthrough in basics of NLP. I gave a simple demonstration of text classification using sentiment analysis. So if you're launching any new product or if you want to gain some public opinion on some certain topics in social media, so these are the methods or these are the applications where sentiment analysis is useful. And That's all, folks. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.